to the Stock Scoop, ladies and gentlemen. We're the home of the baby knockout, where our baby knockouts knock out the stock market competition. I want to thank you for joining me. It's a pleasure, it's an honor to be on your electronic device. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Mickey D, your host. We're going to talk here. I'm going to make this a premiere. We're going to talk about uranium here for a second, ladies and gentlemen. As you know, there's a lot going on right now. Looks like we're going to have maybe peace in the Middle East for a day, a few hours, maybe a week. Who knows? We've got next week. We've got the inauguration coming up. We've got King Day coming up. The LA fires right now are kind of subsiding a little bit. Most of all, though, it's my mom's birthday. Happy birthday, Mom. Mama D, yeah, she's doing her thing. She's having fun today with some of the ladies in her church. They're having lunch and dinner, and Dad's going to take her out and do some things, family and all that. Oh, Mama D, happy birthday to you. Love you and God bless you. Wish you many, many more, and I hope to see her pretty soon here. But you got Mexico, ladies and gentlemen, our gold and silver trade. Mexico has given a mining permit here and there to one of our baby. We'll talk about that in another show. We want to talk about uranium, and I want to let you know why I believe uranium prices not may go up, not possibly go up. They will go up. Is that clear enough? Uranium prices, in order to do what we need to do, ladies and gentlemen, and the fact of the matter is, the global supply chain is jacked up. Now, in order to incentivize some of this and get some of this supply out, the prices have to go up. Now, there's some true facts out here. I'm going to show you here in a second. This is straight from Uranium, America's Uranium Professor here. Just straight, ladies and gentlemen. The facts are, we are depending on too much of a single source of a majority supplier for our crucial materials. We've been depending on Kazakhstan. We've been depending on Russia. Why do we depend on places like China, for too long? And now, we're going to have to depend on our neighbors who we should be a little more friendly to. Just talking. It's about talking, not politics or anything. But China and Russia are turning rare earths, including uranium. They're turning this stuff into bargaining chips with the West. And who's going to win? I don't know. We don't know yet because they have a lot of bargaining chips. They're in control of this stuff, ladies and gentlemen. Sure, we're going to be making deals here and there and going through back doors here and there, but still, we may have to pay some higher prices. Some things may happen, and ladies and gentlemen, I've talked extensively on this channel about uranium for years. People are starting to ask me, Mickey D, why are you so confident that uranium is going up? Why? Look, we're in the middle. Look at what everything's going up. Maybe gold should be going up or something, with everything going up haywire all around us. New administration, everything, people talking trash, this country, that country, whatever. Maybe that should be what's going up, not uranium. Well, I kind of beg to differ with you, ladies and gentlemen, and I'm going to show you why here on this premiere. But once again, I want to thank you for joining me. Ladies and gentlemen, the scoop is for your education, your entertainment, your information only. None of the stocks or none of the I talk about ETFs or should be misinterpreted as financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a stockbroker. I'm not a money manager, ladies and gentlemen. But I do better than them. At least that's what my students think. I would do better than them. No. There's no competition here because there isn't any. Is that arrogant or is that just stating the facts? Anyway, our baby knockouts do knock out the competition. But ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you, you're not here for that. Let me just show you here real quick why I want to let you know that uranium prices not may go up, not shall go up, not they will go up, and they must go up. They must go up, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to show you here. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for joining me once again here. Um, I've been getting a lot of comments. Make sure you hit like, share, and subscribe here. I appreciate all of your comments, all your feedback when it comes to the stock scoop here. I've been getting comments, though. This is a comment from Tony, and Tony's got a little station here. He's kind of tired of the uranium stuff. He's been listening for a while, and he's a good guy, good trader. He says here, and he's emphatic with it. He says, I'm sick of the uranium bullshit. These stocks are expensive. CCJ has a 70 ceiling until 2029, trading at 120 times its PE. Zero earnings and development projects are trading above the net present values of them, the MPVs, which is simply the value of the cash coming in or the cash outgoing. Physical uranium is the way to go. Now that's Tony, and I tell Tony, I may not agree with you, Tony, but I love your enthusiasm and opinion on the sector. I hope to report back to you in 6 months with higher prices. Happy trading. Now, a lot of people are getting kind of weary of uranium. And this was a video. At the beginning of the year, I was asking, can we trust the 2025 uranium breakout? We're going to have a big breakout, ladies and gentlemen. Can we trust it, though? And I'm going to tell you, yes, we can trust the breakout. But stocks are not just going to go straight up. They're going to go up and down, up and down, up and down, like they always do. Now, but uranium prices must go up, ladies and gentlemen. And this is only my third uranium bull market. I've only done this 3 times. That's a small sample, but that's probably 2 times more than a lot of other people. So it doesn't mean I'm an expert at it. It just means I'm old. I guess I'm experienced. Wisdom, as one subscriber said. You have the wisdom, Mickey D. But let's take a look at why I and why so many have said that, hey, if you're patient with this trade, you're going to do very, very well. And take it from none other than uranium, the United States uranium professor John Quakes. Now, as you guys can see here, if you can see this here, I'm trying to uranium. The process of uranium and getting the workers to be able to do this is kind of difficult here. Make sure once again you hit like, share, and subscribe, ladies and gentlemen. The uranium mines, of which there aren't very many that are producing a lot of uranium, but there are hundreds and hundreds that have announced that they're going to build nuclear reactors, and they're going to need the fuel for nuclear reactors, which is uranium. So we're going to need a lot of uranium. In situ leach recovery, that's one way, and uranium mining is another. So there's a small footprint with in situ. Okay, we got to process it. It's got to. Can you guys see the go through the mill process? It's only a couple mills. In America, right? Made into yellow cake here. Those drums you guys see. Then there's the conversion price. Conversion prices right now are very, very high, at all-time highs. Then you got your enrichment, your SWU here, UF6, right? Ladies and gentlemen, prices of enrichment are very, very high. And then I've been telling you that the fuel production, all of these stages of getting this nuclear energy, getting uranium, getting the fuel to the nuclear power plant, all the prices in the underlying supply chain, conversion, enrichment, the even mining, the prices are sky high. right now. They're going up, up, up. Give an example here. Enrichment and conversion prices continue to rise. This is an old John, America's uranium professor John Quakes has been keeping in touch with this, ladies and gentlemen. If you look at this, the darker here, the SWU price here, look at this price. It's going up, 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 up. You know, the enrichment price. You look at the conversion price, the green here. Look at, we're almost going vertical, all-time highs here. And what's been lagging a little bit, what is going to catch up, it's the uranium coming out the ground. Ladies and gentlemen, the production is going to catch up. If think of it as a car, if your tires cost more, if the paint costs more, if your some of the your spark plugs and everything else, your steering wheel costs more. If the prices of all the products going together, if they all are higher prices, then ultimately the car will be a higher price, right? If everything else is going, it's the same way here. When you look at this and you see prices going up, up, up in these areas, when you just look and all the prices are going up. Conversion, we're talking all-time highs. These prices are going way, way up. And the uranium price right now, mid 70s is the spot price, but the long-term price is roughly around $80 or so, $82 or so. That's the one that's really, really important. Those bottom 80 prices, and then we're going to accelerate up from there, ladies and gentlemen. And I showed you this in the earnings for some of our baby knockouts that are signing contracts. They're signing contracts at 85, 90, 100, going up to what, 150, 140 or so. That's what's going on out there in the real world. Let's take a look at some of the stocks here, ladies and gentlemen, because there's some areas here that we believe that have a little opportunity right now. There's a little opportunity with some of these stocks here, and of course, I always have problems with the charts and stuff. I tell you, getting you into these stocks early though, that I make a lot of mistakes on here because I don't redo these videos. I do them one time and one time only. I have a family and and I have things to do, just like you. So I want to make sure that this thing just screwed up on me. Come on, I can't stand it when it screws up on me. URNM, the Sprott uranium miners, ladies and gentlemen, pullback. That's what we have here. We have a good old fashioned pullback. You see the 200-day moving average up here, the purple? See the red right here, the 48-day moving average? You see right here, the 13-day moving average? We're just leveling out right now. You can make the argument that, hey, Mickey D, uranium is bottoming right now and we're looking to turn it up, especially with all the. Did you see the confirmation hearings from this new cat, this new energy sector? Oh, he's on it. I mean, they're really, really into uranium. So we'll see how that goes, ladies and gentlemen, in the days, weeks, months to come. We'll definitely see. I also wanted to show you guys another another ETF. But I don't need to do that. I don't need to wish. You guys understand stocks are trading right now below their 200-day moving averages or so. Most of our baby knockouts are right now, but that's going to change. Pennies and patience is what this game is about. Even when these stocks were under 50 cents, when they were under a quarter, all these stocks, ladies and gentlemen, when we first started this venture, the only stock that was over $1 was a CAMECO. Over the last 20 years, the name has evolved. CAMECO. however, CAMECO is what we say in North America or United States of America, ladies and gentlemen. But anyway, when you look at URNJ and you see these stocks are trading, you're getting a bottoming picture there of what's really going on here. URNM, same thing, same thing with the juniors, with the mine. You're forming a bottoming pattern right now, but I'll tell you again, uranium prices must go up from these levels. They must go up from these levels in order to incentivize some of these producers to get busy and do something, ladies and gentlemen. We won't be in the mid, lower to mid 70s for a spot price for long. I mean, we don't care what the spot price is anyway, as long as the long term contracts are being signed at much higher prices. We're okay with a lot of our companies, ladies and gentlemen. Hang tight. It's going to be all right. When you're right, you just hang tight, ladies and gentlemen. The supply chain is jacked up, not only for uranium, but some of our other stocks also. Hang in there. We're also accumulating the AI Navy baby knockout on pullbacks, the AI Air Force baby knockout on pullbacks, ladies and gentlemen, and the other AI stock. We got a little bit in there, ladies and gentlemen. The rare earths, of course, on pullbacks. That story hasn't even begun yet. It's like they're oblivious to what's going on in Washington. But anyway, we're going to be on top of it, and you guys have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the trading. If you want to get the baby knockout newsletter and you want to get these stocks early, just follow the description area in any of the videos, and you'll see it's only $99 for a year. A year, and you get these 30, 40, 50 cent stocks that usually have the ability to wipe out the competition, and they can be number one in that sector like we have right now. But that's going to do it. You guys have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the week. God bless you and your family. Happy birthday again, Mama D. You guys enjoy the King Day. If you go to a parade or something, be peaceful and have a lot of fun. It's like peace in the Middle East, guys. LA fires. My daughter is all right. So people ask, "Hey, is your daughter in LA?" Hey, she's all good. My mom's birthday, great birthday. Friends in Los Angeles, family and friends are all doing well. Love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family. Have a wonderful, wonderful rest of